sa atin, ang applicable dyan, kung titingnan natin, is direct acquisition and small body procurement. Okay? So, pupuntahan natin yung direct acquisition. So, makikita natin dito.
32.1.
Okay, so direct acquisition, not exceeding 200,000 pesos. So, ulitin ko ha, ang direct acquisition not exceeding 200,000 pesos. Where the procurement entity, procuring entity tayo yon, without need to conduct a canvass or request for quotations, may procure directly from any known and reputable sources. Goods covered under this mode may be procured from stores, such as but not limited to department store, depot, fast food chain, grocery and supermarket, wholesale and retail store, convenience store, clothing and apparel store, bookstore, drugstore, pharmacy, automotive parts, accessory store, construction and hardware store, and online stores. Services may be procured from service providers such as but not limited to furniture repair, automotive service, restoration service, machine and fabrication, and other related service. So, ito ang direct acquisition. Ngayon, example natin, nang sa tingin nyo na pinagagawa natin. Ikaw, Ma'am Glo. Sa service, ano usually ang service na pinagagawa natin? Sasakyan. Sa sasakyan, di ba? So, nagpapaayos tayo ng sasakyan. So, kung gagamitin natin ng direct acquisition, kailangan pa ba natin ng quotation or canvas? Hindi na. Dahil ang sasakyan, kailangang ayusin. Saan tayo pupunta? Sa paayusan ng sasakyan. Mag-aayos ng sasakyan, kung magkano ang presyo, babayaran. Kailangan ba ng canvas? Hindi na. Kailangan ba ng quotation? Hindi na. Kasi, sila yung kailangang pag-ayusan dahil sasakyan,